Well, try not to sneeze, Kay?
Yes, I'll try.
Master Roshi's request has nothing to do with hygiene. As he and the boys learn the hard way, Launch goes through an amazing transformation every time she sneezes, changing from a gentle girl to a vengeful vixen with an itchy trigger finger, and she won't be pushed around.
Wanna dress me like a doll? Then please don't forget the accessory machine gun!
Needless to say, Master Roshi, Goku, and Krillin will be staying on their toes.